remembered to put an extra pair of socks on, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Today in New York City, expect a lot of snow, and it's coming down fast. We've had 6 inches reported in the last hour in Manhattan and 4 inches in Park Slope.
Do I have to go to school? I mean, it's snowing like crazy.
It's snow, Chris, not Armageddon. Now hurry up. You know the buses are gonna be running slow. Go.
Because my mother wanted us to get the best education possible, as long as school was open, we had to go, no matter what.
Oh, baby, your temperature is 103.
Can I stay home from school?
No, just put this ice pack under your hat. You'll be all right. Oh, baby, I think you got food poisoning.
Can I stay home from school?
No, drink this Ipecac. You'll be all right.
While I was on the road, Drew and Tanya were on the couch.
Okay, come on, y'all, let's go.
Junior High School and St. Seraphim Elementary in Bedford-Stuyvesant. Latest school closings include Linville Elementary, Lamont Sanford Junior High, and Dolomite Elementary. In Brooklyn,
Yes!
Yeah! Where's that?
It's cold out there. What's going on?
School. Our school just closed.
Yeah,
What?
we can stay home. Yeah.
Where's Chris?
He already left.
His school's not closed.
Well, they didn't mention it on the news.
Is he gonna be all right?
Oh, I'm sure he'll be fine, baby. But look, I gotta go. I left your breakfast on the stove.
Wait, Drew and Tanya gonna be here all day?
What, you got another home to take him to? I gotta go, baby. I'm late. Mwah. Love you.
Meanwhile, there were more kids at my house than there were at my school.
Hello? Is anyone here?
I wouldn't put it past all the other kids to hide from me.
Whoa! Man, what is wrong with you sneaking up on people?
Chris, what are you doing here? School was canceled today.
Since when?
They announced it about an hour ago.
I left the house an hour and a half ago.
Well, I suppose we should see about getting you home.
Even though Principal Edwards had traveled the world, he couldn't get me back to Brooklyn.
I'm sorry, Chris. I can't let you go.
Why not?
Our phones are out. You're not allowed to leave school without the consent of a parent or guardian.
So you're saying the only reason why I can't leave is because I'm here?
That, my friend, is a paradox.
Sounds more like C-Block.
Why would your mother allow you to go out in weather like this?
She's crazy.
She doesn't like us to miss school.
Let's not disappoint her.
While I was getting snowed in, back at home the word was out.
To repeat, city buses are experiencing delays of up to 4 hours due to closings and hazardous conditions. Now, here's a list of the latest school closures. Corleone Junior High.
Daddy, look, Chris' school is
Giovanna
closed.
Elementary.
What?
Arts Academy.
Oh, see, it says Corleone Junior High School.
If his school is closed, how come he hasn't called?
Junior High.
Maybe he got trapped in the snowdrift and had to eat his own mouth to survive.
That's a thought.
High School. St. Seraphim Elementary.
Where are you going?
Higgins
I'm going to get your brother.
Any questions? Anyone? Yes, Chris.
I'm the only one in the entire city that's in school. So why should I have to learn when everybody else is sitting on their couch watching The Price is Right?
Chris, the true measure of a man is not what he does when he's being watched. It's what he does when he is alone.
Technically, this isn't a real school day. If you haven't noticed, I'm not supposed to be here. So why should I take classes?
All right. Do whatever you want.
So you're saying that if I get up and walk out of that door, you won't do anything to stop me?
No.
Goodbye.
As I was storming out, the storm outside was picking up. I haven't seen a sea of white like this since the Republican National Convention. The adventure was just ending for me, but it was just beginning for my father.
Chris! I'm here! Chris!